What's going on, guys? It's retrospective here. Just here testing out my mic. I'm gonna make this left. This is just gonna be a test video, so that way I can see what the quality of the mic sounds like. Also, I'm gonna be posting more videos shortly. This is pretty much just a test. I'm going to be talking about what kind of videos I'll be posting on the channel. More like some gaming channels, or some gaming videos. Sorry, not channels. Mostly motorcycle videos, repair videos, any type of work that you pretty much do on your bike regularly. Maintenance videos. Just wanted to test on my mic. If you guys have any questions or anything, put them in the comments below. I'm using a GoPro Hero 4 Session, which doesn't allow me to use an actual mic attached to the camera, but what I got works good enough for now, at least. We hit 50 subscribers. I'm happy about that. So thanks for that. Appreciate all the support. Once we hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, gift card, $20 giveaway. So hopefully that'll reach soon. If I don't get a green light, I'm going on red anyway. I don't give a fuck. Watch. It don't even see me. It don't even fucking see me. This is one thing that is aggravating. There you go. It saw me. I'm going. Fucking cop probably saw me too. Oh, the cop did see me. You let me go though. The cop let me go. That's cool. He saw me run the red light. I looked back at him anyway. He probably realizes that there's a fucking weight limit to those fucking things. So yeah, this is going to be a short video. I want to see what it sounds like while I'm riding with the wind. I might need a dead cat to silence the wind noise, but for the most part it should sound decent. Warm up the tires a little bit. I'm not going to do anything. If you can't tell, I'm riding a Yamaha R3, and it's a nice little drive, nice little ride, just to get out of the house a little bit. Now, right now, I am squidding, so don't worry. I'm not always riding with shorts and a short sleeve shirt on. I do wear leather and jeans at least. Nice turn signal. And we're going 20 miles an hour. Let's see. There's a lot of stuff to do around here. I could also go kayaking in this Delaware River. I have a kayak, so I might do some kayak videos. That way you guys can see, fucking boats speeding past me while I paddle. Shit, I don't like that fucking thing. This guy just pulls over for no fucking reason. I would like to go to that island over there. There's an island that it's abandoned, and there used to be a park there, and that'd be nice to go see what that's like. There's a lot of bikers around my city. There are a lot of old school bikers, though. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts, I know. Let's see. Again, this is just a quick video. I'm pretty much just driving around my city real quick just to see what my mic is like and tell you guys a little bit about myself. I basically started riding motorcycles 2 years ago. It wasn't an accident, but I ended up fixing the bike, got it back to normal, started riding again, and I don't regret a thing. I just hope this mic picks me up very well, and hopefully you can hear my voice over the wind and my engine noise.